Welcome to the How to DIY Plumbing video. First of all, we're going to see how to fit an outside tap. Begin by applying a quantity of PTFE tape around the external thread, making sure that it's applied around the thread in the opposite direction to the thread. Most water authorities insist that a tap with a double check valve is used. This stops any contamination of backfed water. After applying the PTFE tape, screw the wall plate fitting to the tap. Locate the stop tap and turn off the water supply. There should be a drain-off valve nearby. Open this to drain off any water in the system. In addition, this process will be helped by opening a cold water tap inside the house. Locate a suitable cold water supply pipe and remove any lagging. Mark the position on the cold water pipe where it will need to be cut to feed the tap installation.